before you spend thousands of dollars on a motorhome.
Stop! Most people buy their own brand and regret it later. But today I'll show you the 5 motorhome brands trusted by travelers worldwide, so you get comfort, value and peace of mind on every journey. Number 1. Adria. If you want a motorhome that's both stylish and practical, Adria is your best friend. With massive storage and high satisfaction ratings, it's designed for families who want adventure without compromise. 2. Auto Sleepers. Love comfort? Then meet Auto Sleepers, a UK favorite since 1961. Built on Mercedes and Peugeot chassis, their cozy interiors feel more like a luxury apartment than a van. Perfect for long trips without losing that homely vibe. 3. Euromobile. Now, if durability is your top priority, Euromobile is unbeatable. This German brand is so confident in their build quality, they even give you a 10-year leak guarantee. That's peace of mind you can't put a price on. 4. Frankia. Want next level innovation? Frankia delivers. With a double floor design and underfloor heating, they not only give you extra storage, but also keep you warm and safe in any season. It's luxury, but engineered with brains. 5. Winnebago and Hymer. And of course, the legends, Winnebago in the US and Hymer in Europe. These brands are practically the DNA of the motorhome industry. High resale value, trusted by millions and built to last. So whether you want style, comfort, durability, innovation, or legacy, these 5 brands deliver it all. Which one would you choose for your dream road trip? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more RV secrets.